Class 8 Maths Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. Topic Finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Finding rational number between two rational numbers having the same denominator value. The first step in determining the rational numbers between two rational numbers is to check the value of the denominators. If the denominator value are same, check the value of the numerators. And if the numerator differ by a large value, then the rational numbers between two rational numbers can be written in the increments of 1 for the numerator without altering the value of the denominator. For example, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 9 and 7 by 9 are here denominator are same, denominator are 9. So 5 rational numbers between 1 by 9 and 7 by 9 are 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9. Let's do one more example. Find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. In both the numbers, the value of denominator is same, which is 7. But the value of numerator differ by a lesser value than the number of rational numbers to be found. So, in this case, the numerator and denominators of both the rational numbers are multiplied by multiple of 10. So 2 by 7 is multiplied by 10 by 10, multiplied numerator as well as denominator by multiple of 10. Here I am multiplying it by 10. So 2 into 10 is 20, 7 into 10 is 70. Now 5 by 7 multiply with same number. So multiply numerator as well as denominator by 10, we get 50 by 70. So the 10 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 can be written as the rational numbers between 20 by 70 and 50 by 70. So 10 rational numbers are 21 by 70, 22 by 70, 23 by 70, 24 by 70, 25 by 70, 26 by 70, 27 by 70, 28 by 70, 29 by 70 and 30 by 70. We have discussed finding rational numbers between two rational numbers if the denominators are same. Now let's discuss if denominator are different, how we will find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now finding rational numbers between two rational numbers with different values of denominators. To find the rational numbers with different value of denominators, we need to equate the denominators. Equating the denominators can be done either by finding their LCM or by multiplying the denominators of one to both the numerator and denominator of the other. Let's do one example. Finding rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So the denominator in 2 by 3 is 3 and denominator of 3 by 4 is 4. So take the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now if we multiply 3 by 4, we get 12. So multiply numerator as well as denominator by 4. 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 4 is 12. Similarly, make the denominator of 3 by 4 equals to 12. If we multiply 4 by 3, we get 12. So multiply numerator as well as denominator by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 3 is 12. Now when the denominators are equated by LCM, 8 by multiply 8 by 12 and 9 by 12 by the multiple of 10. So here I am multiplying the numerator and denominator of 8 by 12 and 9 by 12 by 10. So 8 by 10 is 80, 12 by 10 is 120. 9 by 10 is 90, 12 by 10 is 120. Now rational numbers between 80 by 120 and 90 by 120 are 81 by 120, 82 by 120, 83 by 120, 84 by 120. We can find the rational numbers between 80 by 120 and 90 by 120 like this. Now one more example. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now the denominator of 1 by 4 is 4 and the denominator of 1 by 2 is the denominators. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Here denominator is 4, so no need to change this fraction. Here the denominator of 1 by 4 is 4. We know 2 into 2 is 4. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. We get 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Now multiply the numerator and denominator of 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 by the multiple of 10. Here I am multiplying it by 10. So on multiplying 1 by 4 by 10 we get 10 by 40. And 2 into 10 is 20, 4 into 10 is 40. So 5 rational numbers between 10 by 40 and 20 by 40 are 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 14 by 40 and 15 by 40. Thank you.